Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Talk Help Guy. So, today I'm going to show you how you can add your social media websites to your site in WordPress. So, very quickly, what we want to do here, we want to go to our site. This is our site right here. So, just go here. On the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see site title. Go and click on visit site. If you have multiple sites, it will be listed here as well. So just click on the site you want to edit. And then here, what we want is to click on edit site right here. Now we are in the editing page. And from here, what we want is if your account doesn't have like uh, a part for social media, you can find that here on templates. So click on templates. Can search for a social media here. Okay. If it's not there, what you can do is either click on the header or here on the footer. So on the footer, usually for social media sites, it's either located on the header or the footer, so it depends on you. But for now, we're gonna stick with footer, and then we want to click on our template right here. Make sure you're on template right there. And as you can see here, we have our social media sites listed here on the bottom. So what we want from there is to just click on each social media site. So for example, here Facebook, you want to click on this link. So click that or Control K, and then you want to add now your URL. So you type your Facebook URL code right here. So let's go to Facebook. Just copy your URL and then paste that here. And then click on save. Once that's saved, automatically your URL link should be right here. Now, once your site is published, every time you click on Facebook, it will automatically direct to the Facebook URL or to the Facebook account that you attached a URL code to. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please, of course, do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.